Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and today is number 4. I'm having so much fun, I hope you are too, at looking at all these beautiful canvases. We are on number 4, and I am about to spin the wheel to see which one we unbox today. So far, we've done 12, 11, 10. What will we do today? What will we do today? Remember, no selling, and I will contact you about shipping arrangements because you will have to cover shipping. I am excited. Are we ready? Here we go. Next one is... three. Canvas number 3. Okay, let me go get canvas number 3. Number 3. Aha! Here you is. Number 3. This one is a Diamond Art Club. I'm Pampered with Diamonds, and I like this a lot. And this one is a colorful one, very colorful. This one is Nuzzling Wolves by Katy Limpscomb. Any more in the box? Nope. All right, here we go. This one is 30 inches by 20 inches, or 76 centimeters by 51 centimeters. It's called Nuzzling Wolves by Katy Limpscomb. This one reminds me of the traveling canvas we are doing right now. All right, here is our toolkit. This is one of the very original toolkits. Here is your baggies. Here's the heart wax. And let me get you a better one. That one looks like it's already been chewed. All right, here we go. You got 2 heart waxes here. And you've got a 4-placer and only a 4-placer. So let me get you another placer. Here's a 7-placer for you. And you have one of the old style trays, which is super cute. These are very handy if you use Tic Tac containers. This is not a bad tray to have. So here's your wax. Here is your Diamond Art Club tweezers. And they are sharp. Here's your pen. So there, this is a very early kit. There's nothing special in this. I will put in some washi tape. I do have washi tape. So I will put some washi tape in there for you. And I will give you, let me see, is there another baggie here? Do I have another baggie? No, I will put your baggies in a baggie so that they're not falling all over the place. I don't have a baggie right at the moment, but that's your toolkit. And I'm going to put your Nuzzling Wolf small sticker in there like so. So there. So I'm going to washi tape. I'm going to add here. And what else did I say I was adding? Am I going to have to watch the video to see what else I said? Baggie for the baggie and washi tape. That's it. So here's your toolkit. Let us see this pretty, pretty canvas. And as usual, this is very soft. Very soft. Let me move this out of the way. Okay. All right, and this is the top. This is beautiful. I have not seen it yet. Oh, this is colorful. If you love color, you're going to love this one. So if you are into color, this is definitely one you need to say, I want it, I want it. So here is your picture. It has got 54 colors. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs, and it's got 5200. 5200 is just a very sparkly white. It's not really a fairy dust. It's not really an AB, but it's a very pretty white, 5200. So there's no fairy dust in here. But I don't know that you're going to need it because of all the ABs that are in here. So you get your warranty card, which won't do you any good because it's not your purchase. You're getting this as a gift. So your warranty, unfortunately, will not. They won't help you. Diamond Art Club won't help you. I'm sorry. Here is your color palette. What did I tell you? It is very pretty. Very, very pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I do have another one of these. I do have it. I know I do. So maybe we'll do a wolf event and everybody will do their Nuzzling Wolves. So this one is very colorful. This is an AB right here, 129. The yellow. Here's another AB, 128. And there's actually one of them. I thought there was two. What else? Oh, here's another one, another red, 107. And here is your 5200, which is a very pretty white. And there's two bags of that. Okay, I showed that one. Very pretty color palette. If you like bright colors, and this has been one, I know Katy Limpscomb's a very popular artist for a lot of people. So if this is one you've been wanting, you got to go grab it. Got to say I want it. Because if you don't say you want it, I won't know you want it. Okay, so here is your 5200. Let me move this up a little bit. There we go. Here's your 5200 in these blotches of white here. And in here, in the wolf's ears, on both of them. And then down here. And then we need numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 is all fairy dust. So we've got 3 here in the yellow. 3 is here. Here's 2 in the snout, the nose. And we've got 3s in here again. And let's see what's on this wolf. 4. We've got the blue ABs in here. And 2s up here at the top. This is going to be beautiful. Here's more 2s, more pinks. This is very colorful. Very colorful. Love it. $54 colors. 30 inch by 20 inch. I don't know, 30 inch by 20 inch. I thought it was going to be smaller than this for some reason. You know how you always got a 30 by 30 in centimeters, but it is not the same thing when it comes to 30 inches versus 20 inches. But my brain thought 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters, and that's not how it goes. So let's take a big look. Wow. This is going to be so colorful. I want to do mine. Okay. Are we ready? Let's look right here. No perforated paper. Oh, wait a minute. It does have perforated paper. No lines. No lines, though. Let's see. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. Look at that. I love this one. How many of you have this one already? Because I know JoAnn's went out of business, and this was one that you could get at JoAnn's. Did you pick it up? Do you want it? I mean, if you say you want it, and you have someone in your family that you would love to do this with, say, I want it. Say, I want this one, and that will enter you. So if you listen carefully, you can hear the perforated. Okay, that's perforated. There is no gray lines. There are no red lines. Good stick. Oh my gosh, yep, good stick. Very, 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 very good stick. So, absolutely beautiful canvas. This one reminds me of Rainbow Wolf, which is also by Katy Limpscomb, but it's just one wolf. And this one is two wolves. Oh, look, and they're rubbing noses. This one is super cute. I love this one. Very colorful, vibrant. Here's your colors again. Your yellows are going to be in the wolf. These 5200 are going to be all on the outside and waves of it in the wolves. And then you got your red and your pinks, which are going to be on the outside of this wolf and of both of them. The red's going to be on the red wolf. There's a lot of 1ABs in this wolf, this guy. And this guy has the number 4AB and the number 2. So, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I love it. I like it a lot. This is number 3. I'm pampered with diamonds. I like it a lot. I'm going to fight with this off camera. And remember, be kind to everyone you meet.